Hi, this is Andrew for Geek News Central, and today I have something a little bit different. I don't normally cover a great deal of gaming gear, but with a number of high-profile games like Super Smash Bros. Coming to the Nintendo Switch, I thought it might be time to pick up a few extra Joy-Con controllers. Here are a couple of the yellow ones. I managed to get these on sale from a local big box retailer, so I thought I'd just let people have a look at them and see what they're like. I mean, the standard grey controllers, the blue and reddy orange controllers are fairly well known, but you kind of have to look quite hard to find these ones. I've just kind of got lucky. Okay. So in the box we've got some instructions, which I'm sure if anybody's got any experience of Joy-Con controllers won't need. We've got the kind of slider covers for when you're wanting to play it in kind of like handheld mode. And here we've got the controllers themselves. Oh, they're kind of double packed. Now I don't know whether it comes across in the video particularly well. It looks okay from here, but these really are quite yellow. They're almost fluorescent. And we've got the left and the right here. So I handily brought along one of the controllers. So just slot them in there. Slot them there. Now I don't know whether these are charged or not. We press the button. No, we're not getting any response from them at all. But you can kind of see the style, and I think they look pretty good with the black and the black plastic and the yellow. So let's just slip these off. And now if we pop them onto the actual switch, we'll be able to get them charged up. So just obviously nothing very much is going to happen. Yes, I've been playing Mario Odyssey. This looks like it's paired one of them successfully. Yep. Looks like we're all paired up. So there we are on top of the pyramid. So everything pretty much works as you expect. You're not expecting any surprises with the official controllers. Everything works as expected. Well, look, I'm not going to labour this. I picked these. I picked these up in a sale recently, so I think I've got a good deal. And if you're looking for something a wee bit different from the standard, as say the black and grey, or the grey ones, and then you've got the red and the blue ones. You've obviously got the Splatoon ones that are quite popular, and then there's the relatively rare Mario ones that are just red. So I've pretty much got a good set now, so I don't think I'll need any more in the short term. Okay, well that's it. This is Andrew for Geek News Central and some yellow Nintendo Joy-Cons. Thanks very much.